Hey, I'm Michael. Thanks for tuning in again. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to share again one of the tools I'm using and one of the tools or platforms that I recently discovered. Um, that's a really interesting one. The platform I found recently called Strawman.com. I leave a link in the description below so you can check them out. This is not a referral link or something. I have no relationship with them, so just feel free to have a look. And what is Strawman.com? It's a community based online platform. So basically, something like an online club where you can sign up and where you can share your investment knowledge to the wider audience. And you can let people respond to your valuations of stocks. So basically, the entire community creates valuations for whatever stocks they are interested in, and they can create a virtual portfolio where they track the stocks that they invest in, and they basically describe with every investment that they make what they like about a company, why they think the company is in a good or bad financial position, and why they think that the share price will go up or down. And it comes with a couple of great features. There's an overview about the performance of each user that you can see, and it comes with great transparency on what the users are doing. And when you the platform, I think they opened in 2018, if I'm correct, with just a small number of users, and they had at the beginning a lot of really great traders that were basically testing the platform and that started to build that community. And now more and more regular investors and traders join the platform. So it's growing heavily over the last couple of months. And they're adding more and more features over the time. And yeah, just speaking a little bit about further features. So you have one portfolio, which is the Strawman Portfolio, which gets created from the community consensus, basically. So what the community is saying about stocks, and whatever stocks are rated high and get a lot of comments, they get put into a portfolio, and this portfolio rebalances every Friday. And then obviously you can see whose users portfolio is performing very well. And when you look into the portfolios that are doing very well, it's quite interesting. There's one particular stock, and I made a note of that, that was doing really well over the last couple of weeks, you could say. So really just for the last 2 months, I think. And it's called Pointera Limited. Just a couple of months ago, it was at around 5 Australian cents, so 5 cents, the share price. And now the share price sits at 45 cents. I think it was even above 50 cents. So a 10x share price increase over just a couple of weeks. And what is that company doing? So you definitely should check them out because it's a really interesting and innovative product. They providing basically a platform to share 3D print information that you can use. And it's cloud based. I'll just read the text that I have here that describes it very well. Pointera provides a powerful cloud-based solution for managing visualization, working in, analyzing, and sharing massive 3D data sets in the cloud. And yeah, really interesting. So you can basically share projects that then will be available through 3D printing. Very, very modern and new product. And I'm not actually sure how the business model works, so don't count me on that, but really interesting to see. And obviously when you see the share price growth this high, it's obviously a high flyer at the moment. And again, certainly no recommendation. I'm not holding that company. But just have a look at the price chart. Crazy. And going back to the platform, so you can see what the best user performance is, and there are some user performances that are over 300% in their portfolio. But again, the top 3 or something, that's mainly because they were investing in just that one stock. Certainly, a lot of the portfolios on that platform have the stock in their portfolios. But even there are some more traders that are part of the community for quite some time, and they are actually able to show the performance that sits at around 45% per year, which is really, really good. So stunning to see that they were actually maintaining that over the last 2 years. So check it out, really interesting to see. And one last thing I wanted to mention about the platform, I just saw that they put up a competition. So if you are interested in joining, definitely check out the competition as well. It's for free to join. I think they're in a partnership with 2 other companies to do that, and there is a prize money as well available of 10,000 Australian dollars. And it's really a competition that goes on for a couple of weeks, where you can just participate in purchasing shares through that platform, and in your virtual portfolio. And the person with the best performance over the time frame can basically participate in the prize draw. So just the nice gimmick, I guess, to make some advertising for the platform. But yeah, in general, it's great. I love platforms where we can have an exchange with the community, and this one has a really great approach, and it's very open and really great to see where basically communities or where private investors are currently heading to. And I think, and that's one point I want to make, and I think that's getting more and more important. And you can see that also in the US, where share purchasing and trading gets now done by more and more individual investors, because information are now available basically everywhere. So all informations are available immediately, and I think this is one of the great benefits of investing at today's time, that you don't have to rely on information that you get from an investment advisor or someone else, and that is potentially already a number of weeks old, and you are just behind the crown. So all the professional investors have already put their money into a specific stock, and you, the private investor, are 3 weeks behind of what's going on in the market. No, you can have all the information that you need, and that was one of the reasons why the share market took so off after the pandemic, because the individuals were actually able to act really quickly, and they had all the information, and they started to invest very early. All the professional investors and investing organizations were much later with picking up again and with investing into the share market again. A lot of talking today. Have a look at that platform. I really liked it. Again, I have no contract with them. It's just free information. If you don't like them, don't check them out. Hope you liked that video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye.